I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. You focus on the build, we'll focus on the books.
Watch this video to learn how to set up repeating bills to save time entering regular supplier invoices for recurring expenses like rent or subscriptions. From the Purchases menu, select Bills. To create a repeating bill from scratch, click the New Bill drop-down and choose New Repeating Bill. Alternatively, if you have an existing bill you want to repeat, first find and open the bill. Let's set up a repeating bill for the monthly broadband expense, as an example. In the bill, click Bill Options and choose Repeat. Complete the fields at the top of the screen so Xero knows when and how often to repeat the bill. First, set how often to repeat the bill. Xero defaults to 1 in the number field and months in the frequency drop-down. You can update these fields depending on how regularly the bill needs to be repeated. For example, 1 week or 3 months. In this example, we'll keep it as 1 and months. Next, choose the bill date, which is when you want Xero to create the first repeating bill. This will automatically be the current date, but you can enter a past or future date. If you choose a past date, Xero creates bills for any old dates that meet the criteria you've set. We'll enter the 30th of June 2025 for our example and click OK. Next, complete the fields to set the due date. If you want the bill to be created and due on the same day, in the Due field enter 0, and in the drop-down, select Days after the bill date. If the bill payment terms are 7 days after the bill date, enter a 7 in the number field. Enter an optional end date if you know the repeating bill stops after a set time. For example, a contract end date. We'll keep this field blank for our example. Now that you've set the frequency, choose whether Xero should save as draft or approve the repeating bills. Choose Save as Draft if you need to edit the bill, for example the amount changes, or if you need to approve each bill individually. If the bill includes tracked inventory items, you can only choose Save as Draft. You'll find the bills in the Draft tab if you choose this option. For this example, we'll choose Approve, as the bill for the internet service is the same each month. The bills will be in the Awaiting Payment tab if you choose this option. If you're creating the repeating bill from scratch, complete the details. If you've created a repeating bill from an existing bill, Xero copies the details from the original bill. Click the Reference field, then click Insert Placeholder to easily identify the period covered by your bill. This bill is for the monthly internet service, so we'll choose Month Year. Review or enter bill details such as the description, quantity, unit price, and account. When you click the Description field, you can enter more placeholders. Click Insert Placeholder and add the relevant option. We now have Cable Internet Month Year. Click Preview Placeholders to see how your reference and description will appear on your bill. Once you're happy with your template, click Save. Now you've set up a repeating bill template to manage your recurring bill.